This is number 2. What's this? This is a motor XT1304 4100 kV. The time that I ordered this is the only one left. I was thinking to buy several, but only this one left. Came from RC official store, 4100 kV. Okay, the reason why I bought this is because my first I got one motor. Where is it? Cannot find it. Let me try to find my motor. Oh, it's no longer here. Okay, by the way guys, they give us some set of screws. Okay, this is for, I think, a 1.5mm set screw. This is 2mm and 4mm. Okay, but I really do not recommend this motor because I got one motor. The reason why I bought this is because mine, the wire is the one wire here inside, what they use is too small. It's very small, and just a small hit, it got break off. Okay, the wire, all 3 wires disconnected, so that motor just down to the toilet. Okay, do not buy this motor. I just bought this just to fulfill my other 3 motors, because otherwise I couldn't use that motor. So I bought this one just for that. Okay, so I hope that you learned something today. Thank you. See you later.